This is about a top-notch password tool. It generates and saves passwords as well as does the tedious work of filling forms. This very useful password tool is available in English, Japanese, German, etc. Check for your language version at the links in the description below this presentation. Its first function is that it can memorize and summon up user IDs and passwords that you use to log into various websites across the internet. It encrypts your login information and even password protects it if you want it to, all in order to keep it extra safe. Its second function is that you can enter a profile or an identity. And when you're at a website that asks for your personal information, it fills out the entire form with a single click. Personal information is such as your name, address, phone numbers, email addresses, company information, or even your banking and credit card information. To experience a demonstration of this RoboForm tool, you need to download and install it. Click the download link in the description below this video and follow the prompts. Once you have installed RoboForm, you should see the RoboForm toolbar in your browser window. One great thing about RoboForm is that it does not install spyware or adware on your computer, meaning it does not install any programs that watch you surf the internet, and also it does not interrupt you with advertisements repeatedly while you are online. You can test RoboForm by creating a passcard. What happens is that when you click the login button to a website you are visiting, you will notice that a RoboForm autosave passcard window pops up, and it actually automatically names it for you. The passcard is usually named according to either the title of the page or the website that you are on. You can password protect it. If you click on the Save button, the test passcard logs in. Now, if you log out, you will see that the logs in buttons are blank. However, if you go to the toolbar and click on Login, you will see that there is a RoboForm login saved. If you click that RoboForm login, it's going to take you to that page, and if you notice, it enters a user ID and password and hits the Submit button for you. And as easily as that, you are now logged into the website. For the form filler function, you enter your information at the identity or profile option. This information is such as your address, your credit card information, and so forth as mentioned earlier. You fill out the details you deem necessary as pertains to yourself and what might be to your interest. You only need to do this once unless you want to edit it. Then click Finish Setup. If you then click the RoboForm button on your browser, it would fill in the form for you with all your information. You also have an option to register your RoboForm copy by clicking the Register button. Or you can go and save your first live passcard at whatever website you wish to. Now, if you are surfing the internet at one of your other favorite sites and wanted to go back to your live passcard web page, you only need to click the live passcard and RoboForm will take you to the web page you are on and enter the login information you saved and log in for you. This means that with this tool, you will not have to remember your login information ever again. As a further benefit, your passwords can be automatically generated and are very strong. You can even change them instantaneously whenever you need to. The RoboForm tool is very handy, and when you start using it, you will probably feel the same. Do not forget to subscribe so as to be updated whenever I create a new business tips video. Also like, share and comment below. Thank you for listening. Bye for now and please take care.